All right, everybody. So welcome to this quick little tutorial on Canva and how you're going to use this to create thank you cards. And you can do this at any point throughout the year. Um, it's just a great way. Showing gratitude, showing thanks is just a great way to make your own life better. So once you click on the link, you're going to come to this choice where it tells you you've been invited to my class and you're going to continue with Google. Probably ask you to verify a few things, which you're going to see I'm doing now. And excuse me. So the first time you come in, you'll probably see some confetti on the screen telling you that congratulations, you're now part of my class. And I'll be able to see anything you create in here, so you don't have to worry about turning things in. So what you're going to do is simply search for thank you. And then choose any of these templates to make a thank you card. All right. And play around with these and use time to create if you want help, more specific directions on how to go about doing this. Here's your card. How to go about creating a thank you card for somebody and editing things. By all means, let me know. I'm here to help. But for instance, all you'll need to do in these Canva things is come on over and then edit what's already there. So when you're in Canva, simple things to do to edit when you hover over things, you can see you get this little, if you click on it, you can delete it. You can edit the text by double clicking. You can go through and add different elements over here, pictures. You can upload pictures you maybe have. You can add different text box. So play around and create a thank you card if you have time.